How to add YouTube link to Facebook profile. First, launch the YouTube app on your device. After that, search for the video that you want to add the link of. Once you find the video, tap on the three dot icon. From the menu, tap on Share button. Now tap on the Copy Link button. After you have copied the link, go back to the Facebook. Then tap on your profile from the top left corner. Next, click on Edit Profile button. Now scroll all the way down. Tap on Social Media option, which is below Contact Info section. Now tap on Add. From the menu, select YouTube. Now paste the link that you copied earlier on the text box. After that, tap on the Next button from the top right corner. Finally, hit the Save button from the bottom of your screen. And that's how you can add YouTube link to Facebook profile.